Students, next topic is area. Okay, so area is that you note down this one in your notebook. This is a definition: the amount of surface a plane closed figure. So this is a plane closed figure. Amount of surface means whatever you are seeing the colored portion. Okay, that is called amount of surface. And this is a plane closed figure. This is also plane closed figure. This is also plane closed figure. Whatever the figure you are seeing here, all the plane closed figure only. So the amount of surface a plane closed figure covers, so this much it covers. So this is its area. So area of this is the area of figure A, whatever you are seeing the colored portion here. Also the whatever you are seeing the colored portion, that is the area of figure B. Okay, so like this one also is there, this one also is there, but how could we find the area of this figure? Okay, so this is okay, this much is area, but how could we find? So whatever you have to do, this figure you have to divide in some particular unit. Okay, some particular unit like this. So we are dividing in this way. Whenever we are dividing in this way, then you count it, how many are here, 1 2 or you write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, like this you write. So its area is 14 square units. You have to write 14 square units. 14 square units. Like this also you numbering here 1 2 3 4 like this. Just now I have shown you, and you write the area of this figure. Okay, so and you try to answer all these questions here, and do in your textbook itself, and click it and do in your notebook. Okay, and you will submit, and then don't click now because now online correction is not there. So now you do the exercise 13.4. Just now I taught you in this manner only. Just you have to count how many units are here. So 1 2 3 4 5 here 5 square units are here. 1 2 3 4 5. So the area of this figure is 5 square unit. Like this you count here, you write area is equal to 5 square centimeter. Already it is written, square unit is centimeter. Okay, 5. Here you count it and write how many is there, and like this you do all this for all these figures. Okay, for all these figures. This one also. Okay, same in manner. So you have to this one they have done already. If you count it, you will get 13 square centimeter. Okay, so you count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 11 12 13. So here 13. So they have written 13 square centimeter. Like this for second also you count it. You may write 1 2 3 4 also, 1 2 3 4, so you will not miscount 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. You put a number and write down here. So all these are here this. Okay, now the using half square units. Using half square units is like this. Find the area of each half square units. Half square units is like this. You count it all this half square units. What to do? This half you make 1. This half you make 1. So you put the same number here like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this also 10, this also 10, because 2 half makes 1. So like this is 10 square units, or square centimeter. Square units you write. I will write here so that you will understand. 10 square units. Okay, 10 square units. So like this also you count. Just now I shown you. So like this also, if you have any doubt, you ask in Zoom, you write in chat in Zoom class. I think you will not get any doubt. So in same manner, one more I will count. 1, this is this 2 you take as a 1 1 1 2 3 4 5. This is 6 6 7 7 8 8. So what is its area? Its area equal to you write area is equal to 8 square units. Okay, so it's very you can enjoyable things. Okay, now area of irregular shapes. Area of irregular shapes means what we will do, if half of you count 1, and if less than half then don't count, and if more than half then you count 1, like this you do. Okay, so you will get it. Okay, half of that is 1, but if less than half then don't count, more than half you take as 1. Here also written that half is 2 half is 1, like this they have written 2 half square is 1. Okay, this is so like this, for this is irregular shapes. And this one, why I am teaching this much, because 1 week time is there for complete, once in a week the class is there, that's why you have to complete this one. This mathematics A, B and all slowly, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like that you take the time, and these two also. So next class I will start handling data. Okay, and this is the last chapter, I think, handling data. So this is the last chapter. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.